So I'm gonna upgrade this light, remove this one, and put another one, which is a little more simple. So that's the one I'm replacing with, which is a track kit. Okay, so I'm gonna put this one up. Okay, so I want you to pay attention to something here. If you look on the track, okay, you will see that you have, on this side here, you have two copper wire. You can see over here, 1, 2. And on this side here, you only have 1. So what happened is that you want to make sure that when you click, you will see on this head, you have 1, 2 here, and you have only 1 over here. So this is the ground one, okay? So when you put it in, you want to make sure that you put it this way. So that would be this way, and click this way. That's what I'm saying. So because if you do it reversely by doing this other way, then you will have your ground on the wrong side and it won't turn on. You won't, the light won't power on. So first thing, you will pull it this way and turn in the direction of your ground. Okay, hopefully you see what I'm doing right here. Okay, so pay attention where you have the 2 copper wire inside the trail. Okay, so to start all these, I will locate first my breaker and make sure that I turn off the corresponding breaker. Make sure of that. So that's mine over here. Switch off. So let's go back and we're gonna open our door. There you go. Okay, so we correctly have our breaker out. You have to make sure that you have the correct breaker. So no power. So next thing we're gonna do is to unmount the top. So to unscrew this one is very simple. You have this one here. That ring, you just unscrew it. And we're gonna now disconnect the nuts. Okay. I'm gonna disconnect them. So once we have disconnected the power, the cables off, the wire off, we're gonna simply here unscrew those 2 screws over here, one here, and another one over there, to remove the chandelier. So now we have everything that is disconnected. We're gonna go to the next. So now we have our unit, right? What we want to do here is that pretty much is the same thing. The black will go on the black, the white, which is neutral, goes on the white, and then the ground, which is the green, goes on the bare wire, the copper here. So we those 2 screws that you have here, okay, they come on the that's the bottom, okay. So you will have to have it screw this way, okay. To screw this thing in, you don't screw from here, okay. Those opening here are the one that you have to put in, so they're kind of like a tilt, so you have it on the right way where you want, okay. So that was the tip. So let's fix everything and we'll be right back. So again, to remind, we have those 2 copper wire inside. So what I'm gonna do is that I will put it in one way where I know I have to twist this thing in that direction. So remember it. Okay, so let me give you some installation tip. In my case here, the plate is not that deep, so I cannot really put everything inside. So you will see in this here, in the plate here, in this plate over here, okay, you have a hole here. So you want to parse the wire that comes from the ceiling. You want to parse them inside. The reason for is that when you parse them inside, instead of bringing it on the side here, when you parse them inside, it will not be in the way of this bracket over here. Okay, so you can pass your bar, yeah, okay, your bar very easy. So I just passed again those 2 wires and left in the back the one that is at the bare one. Be right back. Okay, so repetition is always good. You see that thing over here is supposed to like enter and click inside the groove here. So when you twist this one, you will hear it click, but you want to hear the click in the right direction, okay? Once the groove here is inside, you have to push up like this in order to twist it out. Okay, that's how it goes. So what I do is that I put it this way first. Okay, the groove are here. So I put it this way here and I twist it this way. And when you hear the click, that's done. So you do that for all the light. Now that I have it in, I just held it with these two screws on the side. Okay, the two screws on the side, and I will now connect the black to black and the neutral to the neutral. Okay. Now I connected the nut, so the bare wire is inside, and I have the nut out here, so that we all fit within the case. I will try my best to fit it within that case over here. Okay. So now we're gonna hook this one. I have the two prong over here and the one over here. And inside, I have the two copper. Okay, I have them on that side. So if I put it this way, okay, if I put it this way, I will twist it that way. There you go, I will twist it that way. So once this one is in, okay, you can see inside, you have the prong. Okay, I don't know if you can see, but the prong goes on the same direction and connect. So now to unmount this one, the way you go with it is that you pull this one down and you twist out. That's how you unmount it. Okay. So this is how I pack this one. I made it very secured, and I packed it. So each edge will be at that level here. You won't touch this. Will be at that level here. So this way, I can now insert this one so that it fit in, because it's not that easy. Okay. Okay, so let's do it. So what I did, I ended up putting 5, okay, of the light on this one trail. Yep. 2 big on the extremes and 3 little. And that's how you can extend and really make something different. I hope you see what I'm showing. And really, now, just for the reminder, whenever you put those things in, you have to remember that this one pulls down and you twist to remove it. Same thing with all of this. And another tip also is that you have to adjust this one correctly, the track itself, so that you can have this one correctly put in. Okay, hopefully it helps you. And thank you for watching. Subscribe. Bye-bye.